What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Yet another vlog. I'm gonna start working on the demo car a little more. Gonna repaint it. Like you could see on the hood of the car, it's gonna be orange. It's gonna be a bright orange. I'm gonna do a two-tone. Half black, half orange. I'm here at the store, ready to get some spray cans. Yes, indeed, I'm spray canning that car. Then, when I got the cans, quickly gonna drive home and start working on it. So I'll see you when I get back in the garage. I sprayed everything in the colors I wanted to. It's black and orange. It's looking nice. I forgot to put up the camera to spray the orange, so that's a little stupid of me, but I'm gonna set it up in time-lapse mode while I'll be removing the tape and the paper to cover everything. So you can kind of see the unveiling of the car in its fullest. So that will be it. Got the roof box mounted. Got all tape and paper removed. This is how it looks now inside the garage. But it's getting a little dark outside to be able to get a few outside shots. So for today I'm ending what I'm doing. I'm gonna come back to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna get the car out, get some nice shots of it in the sunlight, or when there's no sun, just in the natural light. So I will see you tomorrow. So what's up, you guys? I came out to the demo spot because I also like it for shooting video. It's a little industrial background. We got a ramp up here to shoot on, which I think I might do. But let's get into the montage and see how the car looks. So that will be it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked the montage I made. It was the first time I did it and I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about it, and maybe tell me if you want to see any more of these car montages. Be sure to hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos I'm making. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell right next to it. But that will be it for today, because I'm out.